Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can make a Sofi bank account for free, so let's get started. First, log in to your Sofi profile and navigate to the Banking Products section. Once there, select Get Started to begin the application. The first decisions you will be asked to make are whether you want an individual or joint account, and then to provide your date of birth. Enter your information carefully and exactly as it appears on your identity documents. Next, the application will ask about your citizenship and the country that issued your citizenship. Provide accurate citizenship details and the name of the issuing country. After that, enter your primary residential address. Use your current address and make sure any formatting matches your official proofs of residence to avoid verification delays. You will then need to provide your Social Security number or an individual taxpayer identification number (IDN). This information is required for identity verification and tax reporting. After entering your tax identifier, you will be asked to select your employment status and fill in specifics about your employer, including employer name and address if applicable. Complete this section truthfully. These details are used to verify your employment and assess account eligibility. As part of the tax compliance process, Sofi will ask whether you are subject to backup withholding. Answer this question based on your tax circumstances. Next, verify your phone number by entering the number where you can receive SMS messages. Sofi will send a verification code to that number. Enter the code on the application page to confirm your phone. Before final submission, carefully read the legal disclosures and the account terms. Check the confirmation box to acknowledge that you have read and agree to the terms. Then click Submit to complete your application. After submission, Sofi may perform identity checks, which can take a short amount of time. You will receive confirmation via email or within your Sofi account once the application is approved. A few final tips. If you plan to fund the account immediately, have the routing and account number of your external bank ready for a transfer or set up direct deposit. Keep scanned copies or photos of your ID and proof of address available to speed up verification. If you experience any problems, Sofi's support team can help via chat or phone within the app. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.